Today, I'm gonna show you how to migrate WordPress blog into OpenShift platform. I assume you have a working RedHat OS right now. UpdraftPlus is a perfect tool for WordPress. You just need to do some clicks, and the backup will be there, in the cloud or inside your hosting directory. In case something goes wrong with your cloud, you can transfer these backups via FTP method. Hang on. By incorporate UpdraftPlus restoring FTP SSH connecting to an OpenShift instance, I will mimic the situation when you have to transfer them via FTP. Both FTP and SSH have the same requirement to connect, PKI keys, so we will take a look at them. Download appropriately backups from WordPress Dashboard or FTP to the backup folder of UpdraftPlus. Alternatively, get them directly from Chrome when URLs was obtained. Make sure that the site is set up to access your remote storage location, save your settings, and then press the Rescan remote storage link in the existing backups tab. Plus or, download the backup set from your remote storage location, and upload into the existing backups tab, via the Upload Backup Files link. UpdraftPlus.com. OpenShift has built-in commands for easily manage applications via SSH prompt. Putty is an SSH and Telnet client, developed originally by Simon Tatham for the Windows platform. Putty is open source software that is available with source code and is developed and supported by a group of volunteers. It's a free and open source terminal emulator, serial console, and network file transfer application. It supports several network protocols, including SCP, SSH, Telnet, rlogin, and raw socket connection. It can also connect to a serial port. ashishDungDung.com. Follow this straightforward tutorial about Putty SSH keys generation. Fortunately, Putty Suite bundled with SSH keys generate capacity. You must have an SSH key pair configured for your OpenShift Online account before using OpenShift Tools features to create, edit, and manage OpenShift Online applications. This requires a private public key pair, with the private key stored on your local system and its location specified in the IDE and the associated public key stored on the OpenShift Online server and associated with your account, jboss.org. Set key passphrase up is a good way to protect SSH access via PKI. Keep them in a safe place, the private key used to unlock the access. Now add this public key into your instance's dashboard with a cute name for further reference. When working with Linux hosts, you can explore them by using SSH. Connect to the remote IP or host and work as if you were doing it locally. Modulo restrictions, latency, missing tools. Terminal on the container level, OpenShift client provides the ocrsh command to allow you to get a shell session in the pod, brcowski.com. Now, enter your instance SSH address, choose the location of the previous private key, then save it as a Putty profile for later accessing. Well done, enter the key passphrase and your SSH connection into this OpenShift instance is there. The ocrsh command allows you to locally access and manage tools that are on the system. The secure shell is the underlying technology and industry standard that provides a secure connection to the application. Access to applications with the shell environment is protected and restricted with security-enhanced Linux policies, openshift.com. Go back to the restore process. When your backup files took place, reload Updraft, hit restore button and your blog will be there. 3.